there's that burn.
Where? Where? Oh.
Yeah. So the cool thing is with this mountain, it's like you can see.
Oh.
Hey guys, what's going on? It's T-Car. All right, so we are out today with my oldest daughter, Em, and we are going to go down Rich Mountain Road and the good old-fashioned Sequoia. So to get to Rich Mountain Road, it's in beautiful Cades Cove, Tennessee, and you can see just absolutely how gorgeous it is right now. The one thing you do have to deal with is you do have to deal with traffic. While you're in Cades Cove, you're going to deal with people from out of town, and we hope that you come from out of town to see this. So it is part of the Rich Mountain Road is off of Cades Cove Loop Road. You will not have any cell service, and it is one of those things to where you will need a four-wheel drive for this. So it's pretty cool stuff. So, all right, so we've got Indian Grave Gap Trail. You can do Rich Mountain Loop Trails, 1.1 miles.
Yep.
Rich Mountain Trails, 1.9 miles, or Scott Mountain Trails, 3.7 miles. So again, these are trails that you can't get to unless you come up this Rich Mountain Road. Rich Mountain Road, right. And man, I'm just telling you,